So Mother's Day is over, and you know what, I think we should just prank my mom. So Tuxx and I are gonna pretend to have a fight in the kitchen. She's in the kitchen right now, and we're gonna pretend to fight and just see her reaction. This should be funny. Okay, let's go. What's up, TNS family? We're back with another vlog. It's your girl Sarah. Welcome back to our channel, and today we are gonna talk about Mother's Day. So if you haven't watched our previous vlog, go and check out our previous vlog where we just set up the falisa. So amazing. So Tuxx, for me, what did you buy me for Mother's Day? It was at this moment he knew he screwed up.
Whatever she wanted.
I wasn't celebrating Mother's Day this year, so that's okay. So I told Tuxx already previously that I didn't want to celebrate Mother's Day.
I'm trying to cook.
I didn't want to celebrate. Are you joking me? Like, just do the video. So I didn't want to scar my mum and like go 0 to 100 real quick, but it ended up escalating really fast. Okay, bye.
But you still be grabbing the fish.
Yeah, but we're doing a video.
Yeah.
So do it.
But couldn't you wait for me to move the fish?
Oh my god. You're so annoying. Just do, look, the battery's flashing now because you're wearing. Gosh, you're so annoying. You really pissed me off.
Because you could see that I'm grabbing the fish.
Yeah, but I'm trying to talk to you.
Oh my.
Oh my goodness, you're so annoying. So annoying.
Stuff you.
Are you joking me?
Yeah, straight up.
What the hell? Why are you saying stuff you to me?
Because
I didn't even
trying to cook.
I told you that I was gonna cook.
Bro, I'm touching the fish and then you pull my hand. Couldn't you just wait like 2 seconds?
Oh my gosh.
The fish is already on a fly.
Yeah, but I said I was gonna cook. Don't cook if you don't want to cook.
Bro, I was standing here cooking the fish. You wanted fish, so I chucked it on the freaking frying pan.
You're so annoying. Move! 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 Move up.
You want to eat fish? Yeah, throw it away.
Don't throw away the fish, you're wasting food!
Bye, fishy. Bye, fishy.
He's so annoying, like seriously. He's so annoying. I said that I was gonna cook. Chris is laughing. This is not a joke. It's my life. Give it. Hurry up, Taru. So annoying. Come on. Just go away already.
Oh.
Taru, come and cook this. Yeah, well, just go away already. Why are you gonna be like that?
Are you gonna eat this or not?
Yeah, of course I'm gonna eat it. Okay, one, my husband cannot act, and those eyes right there, he's like, please honey, stop.
What a man.
You did as well.
You should have just cooked this before I came in.
I said that I was gonna cook it, and you just came and did it.
But you asked me to cook this.
Whatever tonga sa ukala lau fish.
Mum, I was gonna come and cook it.
Whatever tonga sa ukala fish ay le isauro po ruo le ka penga luenga.
I was gonna cook it. I don't know why he came and touched the fish for.
Because he asked me to.
Me ngai ka pega makananga.
See what you're making her do to me?
Wan me la nga pe pakan dia pakan de sawa ko aku kan. Ala le kele I fai so kan wema ala.
Yeah, because he's my chef.
Oh my lord. O ya ka pega la pe ke wa ka riu pe ke wa o ki ka riu o ira pe o te.
Yeah, what are you gonna do?
Well, come back from the grate and cook me my freaking fish.
Oh my lord.
Stop laughing because it's not funny. That's what I thought. Say one more thing to me and we're done.
What are you gonna do? Hit me with this?
One more thing and we're done. One more thing, we're done. He's lucky he's staying with me. You're lucky you have a woman like me. You're lucky.
Am I really lucky?
Yes, you're lucky that you have a wife like me.
Hey, you are so lucky.
You're so lucky.
I'm not lucky. You're lucky. No.
Yes.
No.
You are so lucky.
He's lucky. Yeah, I'll be this hot as millionaire girl. That's like, yeah, that's right. Millionaire girl.
No.
I would have found me a Barangi boy.
Millionaire from sleep.
I would have found me a millionaire boy. Whatever.
Why do you need $1 million anyway?
Huh?
Why do you need $1 million anyway?
So I can do me.
No.
Oh.
No, you don't need $1 million.
Why? What do I need?
You need
you. I need you. Mom, it's just a prank. See her defend your honor.
She loves me, family. She loves me.
She loves the son-in-law. She hates her daughter.
Yes.
What do you have to say? It's a prank!
What?
What do you have to say about the prank? Look, she's still mad. What do you have to say about the prank? Make sure you like and subscribe down below. We love you, TNS family.